First of all, I think when I joined Wānanga, I had the word hegemony. So somehow I came to know that Rangahau is an anti-hegemonic approach to research. That research that always address power relations between Māori and non-Māori people. The word is powerful to me. It transformed me in many ways. Actually, I did my PhD in Macquarie University, Sydney, Australia, but I wasn't introduced the epistemology or ontological views of doing research. I was only introduced a positivistic way of that one theory fits all, and I tested theories, and I thought that I am a researcher. But actually, when I came to Wānanga, I heard the word hegemony. I have never heard that word before. I had to unlearn my words. I had to deconstruct myself. So what I did in my mahi, not only just teaching or doing my personal transformation, but I started to write. I used to write Western way of expressing my views about self-determination. I ran a lot of projects on how to develop models in the University of Auckland by using positivistic approach, which is called structural equation modeling. I did a lot of research work on that and published. But now I have deconstructed I want to unlearn those